very excited to contribute and learn from the dynamic environment IIMTT has presented us. With this, I would like to just throw some light on the understanding of the Montessori philosophy and curriculum. The Montessori curriculum is an educational approach developed by Maria Montessori, the Italian physician and educator in the early 20th century. The Montessori method is based on the idea that the children are naturally curious and they learn by hands-on learning. The combination of child-centered learning and the individualized education in the Montessori philosophy aims to cultivate independent, self-motivated learners who are well prepared for the future academic challenges and life beyond the classroom. It recognizes the uniqueness of each child and seeks to nurture the child according to his pace. The key components of the Montessori curriculum are mixed-age classrooms, self-directed learning, prepared environment, aesthetic Montessori materials, and the most important is the areas of the classroom. And that is my today's topic of discussion. Areas of Montessori classroom. Practical life area. The practical life area is the fundamental component of a Montessori curriculum. The activities within the practical life area are purposeful and related to the daily living tasks. I would like to throw some light on the key aspects of the practical life area in the Montessori classroom. They are purposeful activities, fine and gross motor skills development, independence and self-help skills, care of the environment, order and concentration, social skills. And in some simple words, if I would like to explain you about the practical life, it is nothing but a bridge between a child's home environment and the structured activities in the Montessori. Through these purposeful tasks, children not only acquire practical skills, but also lay the foundation for future learning and social development. Then the next important area is the sensorial area. The sensorial area is the distinct component of a Montessori curriculum, designed to refine and enhance a child's sensory perceptions. Dr. Maria Montessori believed that the senses are the gateway to knowledge. If you are sensible, you can take the knowledge and retain it. The key aspects of the sensorial area in the Montessori classroom are development of the senses, isolation of sensory qualities, refinement of discrimination skills, order and classification, preparation for mathematics, integration with other areas, independence and concentration. In simple words now, if I explain you the sensorial area. The sensorial area, again in Montessori education, plays a very crucial role in laying the foundation for intellectual and cognitive development by providing children with rich sensory experiences that contribute to their understanding of the outer world. Then the next area comes is the language area. The language area in the Montessori classroom is designed to support development of language skills in a holistic and sequential manner. Dr. Maria Montessori recognized that the importance of language as a fundamental tool for communication and cognitive development. The language area encompasses a variety of activities and materials that help children develop their skills in speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Which is very important in our day-to-day activity and our future academic challenges as well. The key components of the language area are oral language development, phonetic and phonemic awareness, sandpaper letters, movable alphabets, reading materials, writing skills, grammar and sentence structure, literature and storytelling. Well, in simple language, now to explain you again for the language area, the Montessori approach of language development is characterized by progression from concrete hands-on experiences to more abstract concepts. The focus on the integration of language throughout various activities to contribute to the rich and engaging language environment in the Montessori classroom. The next area we have is the mathematics area. If you can see in the slides, the pictures which I have shown is showing how that area should be made and how it should be kept and how it should be designed. The mathematics area in the Montessori classroom is designed to provide a hands-on and concrete and sequential approach for mathematics concept. Dr. Maria Montessori emphasized that the importance of allowing the children to directly manipulate the materials and learn from it, especially in the mathematics area. The Montessori math curriculum covers a wide range of concepts, which is from the introduction of basic numerals, quantities, and to more advanced options as they grow. In the beginning, we just introduce the numbers to them, then we go on and go. The key components of the mathematical areas in the Montessori classroom. The sequence are discussed here. Introduction to operations, introductions to basic numerals, concepts of quantities, knowing different shapes, linear and skip counting, addition and subtraction, obviously in a higher age of the Montessori. Problem solving skills, and in simple words again, the Montessori math curriculum is designed to provide the kids with a logical and sequential progression, allowing children to build a solid foundation in mathematical concepts through hands-on working. The emphasis on concrete materials, individualized learning, and the gradual transition from concrete to abstract thinking. Next, I will take you to the cultural area, which is very vast area. It's interconnected, and I think most of the child loves this area the most. Other than the other